Imagine you're running a bustling restaurant. Orders are pouring in, customers are waiting, and your staff is stretched thin. Wouldn't it be great if you could streamline your operations, reduce errors, and improve customer satisfaction all at once? That's where TouchBistro comes in. But here's the burning question. Does TouchBistro have handheld devices? Before we dive into the answer, let's understand why handheld devices are so important in the restaurant industry. Mobility. Handhelds allow your staff to take orders directly from customers, anywhere in your restaurant. No more running back and forth to a stationary POS terminal. Efficiency. With handhelds, your staff can quickly input orders, process payments, and manage tables. This reduces wait times and improves customer satisfaction. Accuracy. Handhelds can help minimize errors in orders and payments, ensuring that your customers receive exactly what they ordered. Customer service. Handhelds enable your staff to provide personalized service to each customer, building loyalty and increasing tips. Answering the question, does TouchBistro have handhelds? Yes, TouchBistro does offer handheld devices. These handhelds are designed to work seamlessly with the TouchBistro POS system, providing your staff with the tools they need to efficiently manage your restaurant. Key features of TouchBistro handhelds. Intuitive interface. TouchBistro handhelds feature a user-friendly interface that is easy for your staff to learn and use. Robust hardware. Built to withstand the demands of a busy restaurant environment, TouchBistro handhelds are durable and reliable. Wireless connectivity. These handhelds connect to your TouchBistro POS system wirelessly, ensuring flexibility and convenience. Integrated features. TouchBistro handhelds offer a variety of features, including order entry, payment processing, table management, and employee time tracking. Benefits of using TouchBistro handhelds. Increased efficiency. By streamlining order taking and payment processing, TouchBistro handhelds can help you improve the efficiency of your restaurant operations. Enhanced customer service. With handhelds, your staff can provide more attentive and personalized service to your customers. Reduced errors. Handhelds can help minimize errors in orders and payments, ensuring that your customers receive exactly what they ordered. Improved profitability. By increasing efficiency and reducing errors, TouchBistro handhelds can help you improve the profitability of your restaurant. Additional considerations. Cost. While TouchBistro handhelds can be a valuable investment for your restaurant, it's important to consider the initial cost as well as ongoing expenses such as maintenance and support. Integration. Ensure that TouchBistro handhelds are compatible with your existing restaurant systems and software. Training. Provide your staff with adequate training on how to use TouchBistro handhelds to maximize their benefits. So, does TouchBistro have handhelds? Absolutely. And these handhelds can be a game changer for your restaurant, helping you improve efficiency, enhance customer service, and increase profitability. If you're looking for a POS system that can help you take your restaurant to the next level, TouchBistro is definitely worth considering. With its powerful features and intuitive interface, TouchBistro can help you streamline your operations and provide exceptional service to your customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.